Hi everyone, this is our weekly blog, and following up on last week's blog, we've written some information specifically delineating DNA from the balance method and DNA from Master Tung's method. And we will put this on the website because it's very clear, and I'm going to read it to you so that people don't have questions anymore. Because I know over the years many people have asked me, how does this differ from Master Tung? How does it differ from the balance method? What's specifically different about DNA? And so here's what we've written. First of all, what is DNA, or distal needling acupuncture? DNA is rooted in the anatomical Jing-Jin, or tendino-muscular tissue organization and relationships of the Wang-Di Neijing. The DNA system determines specific pain sources based on the Jing-Jin with specific referral pain models and treats these issues with specialized distal needling methods for instant pain relief. The logical fusion of ancient Chinese medicine and modern anatomy, physiology, has generated precise treatment strategies unique to any other acupuncture methods. How is DNA different from the balance method of Dr. Richard Tan? The foundation of Richard Tan's balance method is based upon the metaphysical philosophies of yin-yang, the 8 trigrams, Bagua, and the I Ching. Through extensive study with Dr. Chao Chen, creator of I Ching acupuncture, Richard Tan synthesized numerous principles of classic Chinese medical theories and Chinese metaphysics into a treatment method using distal points. The balance method is rooted in an energetic model relying on the concept of healing the body by balancing energy meridians. Consequently, distal points are chosen based on classic acupuncture point locations in order to eliminate stagnations and create normal energy flow. The anatomical principles of DNA recognize that pain and other pathologies reside in physiological tissue and not psychic energy channels. This leads to a completely independent distal needling acupuncture system for instant results. Now, how does DNA differ from the Tung method? The Tung method is an empirical technique based on specific point locations with specific indications. Tung's acupuncture was originally a closely guarded oral tradition that was exclusively passed down within the Tung family. The entire method is based on a 5 Zong and a 6 Fu channel system that is unique to this system and quite different from the 14 channels of traditional Chinese medicine. Tung, or Master Tung, was a brilliant practitioner, leaving a legacy of points which were later deciphered by his closest students, namely Wei Chiet Yang, Dr. Yang, into the theory that is actually taught today. DNA is a system based on the anatomical Jing-Jin, that's the tendino-muscular organization of the Neijing, with a clear understanding that pathology and pain actually lies in real tissue. These fundamental fundamentals guide a systematized technique to effect real tissue changes for instantaneous results. I should point out that the Tung method really was just a bunch of points. And Master Tung never really elaborated in writing any more than that. It was his closest students, Dr. Yang, who spent 17 years with Master Tung. He acquired a PhD in the Shanghai and he acquired a PhD in the Neijing. And he told me personally that Master Tung never taught him any imaging methods, or he didn't teach imaging at all. That Master or Dr. Yang had to learn all these things on his own. So he kind of put together the imaging methods that Dr. Tan put together, other imaging methods that Chao Chen put together, and through his own research, and has expanded Tung acupuncture to include explanations of why it works. But this still differs from our DNA method in that ours is not point specific. We are not treating acupuncture points with DNA. We're treating areas of the Jingjian, areas of muscle groups to make pain go away at a distal muscle group. And we utilize the mechanism of the midbrain to affect the pain relief. So hopefully this gives you a better idea of what you're practicing and how to explain it to others. We'll see you in the next blog. Have a great week. Bye-bye now.